Canva has launched their new upgrade featuring more AI features that could be able to save you more design powers. In this video, I will provide step-by-step guide to the most essential AI features you need to know. Canva takes your data into next level, the new launch of Canva Sheets. It would be a pitch streamline your data analysis process. Let's get into it. First, visit to the canvas and select the Canva Sheets here. Adding datasets, there are three options available here. First up, select a template. Choose from available templates in the library. Second one, import your own data. To add your own dataset for analysis, click on Actions and select Import Data from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the method that best aligns with your needs. Install. Generate a table using AI. You can create a table with just one click. For that, go to the Actions menu and select the option for adding a table. Here, you will see suggested alternative for generating table using AI. If you have specific requirements, you can also type in what you want to generate. For example, if you want to create budget plan for 1 month, type that in. Once you are ready, click on Generate here. After a few seconds, the canvas will display your budget plan. If you want to explore different outputs, click on the corresponding options. Once you selected the one that works best for you, you can customize it to meet your needs. Click on the Customize button and specify what the changes you want to make. Now, our monthly budget plan is complete and tailored to our requirements. The next step is add two more guests to provide more insights from our datasets. So unsure how to proceed? Don't worry. Guys, a new feature may be there for us. To access these features, go to the Actions menu and select the options for filling empty cells. The system will generate more information to populate our empty cells. Review this information to see if it meets your needs. If you would like to explore more options like this, click here. If you want to customize the information to better suit your requirements, click on But here and explain how you would like to adjust it. Once you add your selections, click here to add the new sets table. Creating content for global audience just got crazy. By using Canva, new features let you translate your design into different languages instant. No copy-paste, no third-party tools. Just one click and your design speaks world's language. First, select the area you wish to translate. Then, go to the Actions menu and choose the option for translation. Next, look for the drop-down menu in the top left corner and select your preferred language. Finally, click on Translate. It's amazing to see how quickly our cells can be translated. Stare me at a glancing. Let Canva do the thinking. By using Magic Cut feature in Canva Sheets, you can generate smart text, summaries, and even content ideas directly within your spreadsheet. Let's get into it. First, select the area where you want to add it. Then, go to the Actions menu and choose the option for Magic Cut. Enter a prompt that describes what you want to generate for your new table set. After a few seconds, your request will be proceeded. Don't just see your data, understand it. Canva introducing a feature that's called Magic Insights. but the AI-powered tool helps to break down complex data into simple and clear techniques. No novelty, just answer. Next, I want to gain more insights from my dataset to facilitate accurate decision making. To do this, select the entire table and navigate to the actions made. From there, choose the option for Magic Insights. Once you outline your requirements, click on Enter. Now, you see that AI generates additional insights to enhance the decision-making process. For example, it's for visual charts to improve data visualization. Review each option and select the one that tests its results. For this demonstration, I will select the pie chart. Simply drag and drop into the avatar area. To the right side, you will find several additional options for customizing the chart we just created. First, you can change type of chart. Click on the drop-down menu and select your preferred chart type. Next, you can adjust the chart setup. Scroll down a bit more and you will find two options available. The first option allows you to set the label that will appear on the charts. The second option lets you define what the value represents for each label. For example, I will select the actual amounts corresponding to each label. There's another option for further customization of a chart. By toggle on legend, you can clarify what the different colors represent. There's also an option to add label to chart. In the next section, you can decide how you want to present the value in the chart, whether as percentage or actual amount. If you want to enhance the data visualization process further, consider adding filter to the charts. To do this, scroll down to the settings section and click on Add Filter. Select the data type and style that suits your needs. If you wish to filter multiple elements at once, enable the multiple section option. More to real-time collaboration made easy. With the Canva name mention features in Canva Sheets, you can tag teammates, assign tasks, and eat everyone in loop, just like you would in Google Doc or Notion. First of all, you need to select the relevant area. Then go to the actions panel and scroll down to the insert section here. You will find various options for the current purpose. Identify each option and select the one that fits your needs. For my purpose, I will select the actions for mentioned option. Now, use the search bar to find and add your team member to see that member has already mentioned. Don't have idea on the generate formula? Canva is copy. Did the Canva need generate formula tool? Just describe what you want and Canva 6 turn it into working formula instead. No spreadsheet back. Now, let's move on to measuring how much each category varies from budgeted amount. This sounds a bit more advanced, but Canva has introduced new feature that helps generate complex formula with just one simple instruction. First, select the empty cells and label it as a variance. Next, open the action menu and scroll down. You will see two actions available for generating formulas. One for creating a simple formula manually and the other one for magic formula that generate complex formulas easily. For this example, I will select the actions for magic formula. Now, let's explain our requirement and click on generate. You might see an error indicating that the dollar signs appear in the formula. To remove dollar sign, select the cells that need adjustment and go back to the Actions menu. Choose the action for Magic Drive. Then incorporate a line to proceed. After a few seconds, the Magic Drive feature will regenerate these cells textured in the dollar sign. Now that will resolve that. Follow the previous steps to generate formula to measure how much each category varies from the budget amount. You will now see the variance calculated properly. To apply the formula to other cells, click on cells where the variance appears. Click the plus icon and drag it into the other cells. Want to level up your content without hiring a designer? Canva AI feature like having a creative feeling within your browser. It's fast, smart, and instantly easy. Now you can brainstorm idea to wire using the new Canva AI features in Canva. Let's dive into it. First, visit the canvas and select Canvas AI here. You will find various modules for brainstorm ideas, create designs, generate images, and even generate code. For this demonstration, I am going to create a campaign for restaurant startup. First, let's brainstorm how to create menu for the restaurant. Once we have menu detail copy, we return to the home page to restart with the chatbot and choose the model for code generation. Next, input the prompt to generate the menu for restaurant and paste the details we copied earlier. Then, press enter. This process may take a few minutes, so please wait. Once the menu is generated, it will be ready for query. To obtain the HTML code for the menu, go back to the chatbot where you receive a message indicating that the menu has been generated. A new tab will open at the top of the message with several options available. Click on Create Document. You will see a new document created that includes the HTML code for our restaurant menu. Now, copy this code and paste it into the workspace. No more plan screen and body posts. Canva AI will design eye-catching social media posts from simple prompt. Just tell what you want and watch the magic unfold in seconds. That's good. Now that we have a menu for our restaurant, the next step is to design a poster for our lodge. I am happy to share that there is no need to search for template anymore. You can simply provide detailed instruction using Canva AI. Let's get started. First, go to the Canva AI and select the design model. Next, input the prompt that outlines your design instruction. For example, I will create social media poster for restaurant startup. Once you enter your prompt, press enter. After a few seconds, Canva AI will generate poster for you. Click to change theme color as needed. You will see various color themes available. Select the one that best fit your visions. To make further edits, click on the Canva editor. With this approach, you can also create carousels, logos, and variety of designs that meet your needs. Want to create a web page but don't know how to code or design? Don't worry. Canva AI create entire web page, visuals, and layouts just by understanding your needs. Let's get even. First, I'm going to generate an ideal image for our landing page. For this, open Canva AI and select the model for image generation.
input a prompt with detailed instruction to create an image of our landing page. After a few seconds, our request will process. Choose one of the generated images and we'll move on to the view the area. Next, we need to select the specific area that require editing. Go to the editing tools menu where you find various options for selecting areas. Select images, background, foreground, and text element as needed. I'll use brush tool to highlight the area that I want to edit. Then go to the magic tool and select the magic edit. Now we need to describe how we want to edit the highlight area. Alternatively, you can click Inspire Me to see magic happen. After that, click on Generate to proceed. After a few seconds, the new image will be created. Choose the best one that fits your needs. You can repeat these steps to change the background or foreground of the image. Next, I will change the text. Go to the Edit option and select the text box you want to modify. Then, access the Magic Studio and select the tool for grabbing text. Type in your new text and plan. Once you are satisfied, click here to download the image to your list for later use. Now that our image is ready, the next step is to generate landing page using it. Unfortunately, we can't directly convert the image into landing page by using CanvaAI. Instead, we need to provide an instruction of what we want. I'm happy to mention that there is a simple trick available that's called reverse engineering. Once you downloaded the image you just created, open the new tab and search for image from here. Then upload the image you just downloaded. After a few seconds, you will receive prompt that corresponds to your image. Copy that prompt and return to the CanvaAI. Next, select the module for code generation. Now, simply include the prompt for create a landing page using these details. Then, paste the prompt you copied earlier. Finally, click on Enter. It will take a few minutes to generate to a landing page, so please wait and soon you will have your result. Now that our landing page is generated, it's time to preview it. To edit the landing page, click on Use in Visa. Unfortunately, there are only few customizations available. You can add new sections, new pages, and animations to the page and element. To add animation to a landing page, click on the page and then select animation here. You will find a new feature called Magic Animations. Choose any of the available animation styles that you like. If you want more customization, you need to HTML code. To obtain that, return to the CanvaAI and drag your cursor over the message sent by CanvaAI. A new menu bar will appear. Click on the options or Canva document, which will organize the HTML code into document. Copy the HTML code and paste it into the level space for future adjustment. I think Canva just for templates. That's all. Canva new photo editing feature turning your edge and average pics into screen masterpieces. Let me show you why this update is totally game changing. First, visit to the CanvaAI tab for select the model for image generation. Then, input the detailed prompt that describes how you want your image to be created. Once you are done there, you will see two options to enable edit one. The first option is to click on edit here. Imagine if you want to edit your own image. Start by returning to the home page and selecting the Canvas photo edit. Next, upload the image you want to edit. Once the upload is completed, click on the image to start transforming into a result. Now, click on the edit option. You will find a variety of tools available for editing your images. These features are designed for the current elements within your image. So, choose one that suits your need. Highlight the area you want to edit. Then, use the adjustment tool to make further modification in that area. Once you are satisfied with your edits, click on the done to save your changes. Next, I will change the background to something color. To do this, scroll down to the magic tool section and use the background remover tool to eliminate the existing background. After that, select the new background generator tool. You can either describe what you want to click here to see the magic happen. Then, click on generate bar. After a few seconds, the new image will be generated. Choose one of them to apply to images. One of the new features that has been introduced that allows you to change the perspective of the images. Let's explore this feature in Canva Photo Editor. First, select the image you want to modify. Next, choose the appropriate tool from the toolbar. Here, you will find expand the customization option. You can adjust the perspective of the image both horizontal and vertical. Tired of sitting between multiple tabs when you are designing in Canva? There is a movement. Canva has dropped new game-changing multitasking feature that allow you to manage different tasks keeping same workflow. No more tab overload, no more losing track. It's easy, fast, and super efficient. First, access the Canva and decide what you want to generate. For this demonstration, I will choose the Canva sheet. In the Canva sheets, I am going to generate keyword analytics to create content that can go viral. After a few seconds, our table will be generated. Next, we will use these keywords to create content for Instagram posts with CanvaAI. To organize our content, I will add the Canva doc. Click on the page icon here. Once you are clicked, you will see an option to add a new page. The pop-up icon to find various options for adding a new page. You can create presentation, web page, social media posts, or videos, depending on your needs, all within a single workspace. For my purpose, I will select Canva doc to organize my content first. After adding it, I'll use CanvaAI to generate content based on keyword. Canva has already generated content for our Instagram post. We need to insert it into Canva doc. Before adding this content to our social media template, let's create new page for social media post. Click on the pop-up icon again and select the new page for social media. At this point, we need to choose layout that suits our purpose. Once selected, we can browse the library for template for our Instagram post and then add our content to the template. After we complete these steps, our post will be ready to publish. Thanks for watching. If you found something helpful, don't forget to share with others. Have you something to add or questions? Use the comment section below. And if you want to content more like this, click on the subscribe and hit on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative. I'll see you in the next gig.